Go ahead, I'll follow you. Following Uncle Gene at towpath, paddling upstream to do a little fishing. Oh, and that's it. First fish of the day. Little smallie. Little skinny smallie. On the Ned rig. New color, chartreuse. Copper truce. Got another one. Second one. Beautiful jump. Oh, and he's off. Ouch! Jesus! And this one choked it. There you go, little guy. There's a big tree right here. That's this one right here. And there's a giant fish. And I got a fish. That's what I mean. I just let that Ned rig float behind. I don't even notice anything's going. Oh, Gene, get over here. A huge one. He's after my fish. Look, he's right here. It's a smallie too. Let me see if I can get him. It's right here. Right there. He's right here under mine. There's two of them. There's three of them, Gene. Oh shit, look at them all. See them? You need some polarized glasses, dude. It's like a family of them. Two huge ones too. All right, I'm going back up. Yeah. Yeah, Gene, they were big. Yeah, right here's the tree, so anywhere in there is where they were. Oh, I got him.
Oh, nice one, Michael. Don't lose it, buddy.
I'm trying. I got to get this in. Watch me get one on this, too. All right, do I have him yet? Yeah, he's down here. Oh, there he goes. Am I on? Yeah, I'm on. There's a bunch of them, Gene.
Oh, look at him. He's a nice one.
He's not the bigger one either.
We'll get the bigger one too.
See if I can get him to follow it.
Need a net?
No, I got it. I just want to see if the other ones will come after him.
I got my line in right next to yours.
Yeah, he's nice.
Like 15 inches.
Yeah.
All right.
Come on.
That is a nice one. That's about the size of the one I lost.
Is it?
Yeah. And it was in this area too.
It's a nice one. He's chunky too.
Yeah.
Oop. And look, that worm's still good to go. You cannot beat that Ned rig.
That particular piece has been in 10 fish's mouths in the last couple of days.
I can't tell you how many fish I caught on this one. You got him. Is it the big one? That's what this one did too. I said just go alongside of that log and throw up in front of that log. Just make sure you got it good and set so that you're weedless, so you don't get caught up in that crap, because that's a big ass tree right there. Oh, I got one. Oh, it feels pretty good. Let's see. You got a jumper. He's pretty nice. Another one on the Ned rig. Little guy, but he's good.